Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Armada. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, privacy glass. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.